Hello there everybody, Darshan over here. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate our website to you guys in a bit more detail as compared to when I've done it on Instagram. So as you can see, this is what it looks like on desktop. So our website is actually compatible with a number of devices. If you go on to inspect, you can test this out. So once you go on to inspect, you'll see that there's a whole lot of coding over here. You don't have to worry about that, but you can basically choose one of the screen formats. So say I say iPhone SE, this is what it'll look like. If I switch it to landscape, it changes the formats like that. And there's a couple, it's compatible with iPhone, Samsung, pretty much any mobile device. And also there's a Z Flip option over here, or Galaxy Fold option. So you can see that if I unfold the phone or refold it, or if I put it landscape and unfold it and refold it, whatever the reason is, it still works. And this is basically just showing you that this is a website that's compatible with any device, right? So I'm going to exit inspect and I'm going to show you what we've done. So if you can see that we have our STRAT logo over here. We have our STRAT Business Solutions title, and then there's 6 tabs on our website. The first tab is the home page. So I want to show you something. Say for instance, we go to our home page. You can see that it's, as you hover over it, it highlights it. So you can read the about us over here. It has a description, and then there's a number of principles that our company adheres to. You can read all of that, right? And if you go into services, you'll see that we offer services in digital designs, web development, software development, mobile development, and automation. So what kind of digital designs are we talking about here? Well, digital designs basically in any sort of branding you can think of. So if it's a logo design, if it's a design for a wedding, if it's a design for a say if it's a design for a card, whatever the design may be, we can digitally design it for you, and we can present that to you with a plan, of course, as to how we will design it for you. So the next thing is web development. So web development, anything that you want to web develop, you can think of it as an idea. Maybe you want a personal website, maybe you want a website that does transactions. Whatever website you want, we can develop it for you. Next is software development. We have over here it says regarding the software side, we offer solutions for analytical data related tasks, backend, and essentially everything else. So we have analytical and data related tasks. You can read up on that description and see exactly what that is. Cloud computing, AI and ML services, multimedia, and data infrastructure. So far in our company, we haven't really breached this side of our development or our products and services as of yet, but we do have the expertise to be able to develop software apps or software on the internet. So we can develop like apps and stuff, but as far as AI and ML services go, we are still in the progress of organizing ourselves and getting the skill sets and the materials to be able to do that. But we will soon be able to do all of this, and you can count on us if you ever want a product or service to deliver to you. Right, so mobile development, this we can absolutely do. Mobile development is something that we're completely capable of right now. And the last one is automation. So automation or integrations is basically taking a whole lot of a systematic code. Say like you have you run a business where your products are sold on a large scale, and you have a number of systems that you have to go through, a number of components you have to go through. So what automation essentially does, or integration, is that it reduces the amount of processes that happen for specific products and services to go through detail or data analysis. So if you don't know what automation is, that's okay, it's not for you. But if you do know what it is, and you do want to integrate your systems and make them more user-side systems, then STRAT Business Solutions is for you. Okay. And I just want to mention that in order to get a service with us, or in order to get a product with us, you have to contact us directly, and we'll present to you our list of our prices and how we exactly going to work with that. And we'll talk about, well, the first and most important thing is to develop a strategy behind how you want your product or service to be developed. So once we determine that, we can determine the prices that will be associated with what you're wanting to develop. And I can say that it's not something that's just arbitrarily came up with. We do have a way of naming a price on a specific product or service that we want to sell to you. We do have a template of how we want of exactly what the price is going to look like. I can say that since this is a South African company, for South Africans, it will be very much a affordable type of thing that you can get your hands on. So if you're looking for something that's more related to South African side of things, because I know that prices tend to get very large when you look at it in dollars or anything else, not putting down any other currencies, but because this is South African, it's going to be very much suited to your liking, right? So we can also look at the solutions tab, and in the solutions tab we have a number of solutions. We created these solutions. We haven't sold any of them, but we created these, and this is just basic graphic design. Now I know what you're saying. You're thinking, if I can create my own graphic design, why should I ask someone else to do it for me? Well, the thing is that the limitations that come with creating your own design is your creativity, your imagination, your ability to handle different types of graphics and different types of sprites and frames and all of that stuff. So we at STRAT, we know everything that has to do with graphics. So we don't just do simple graphics like this where it's a written invitation, right? We go beyond that. We can actually do things that are a lot more in date with new technology. Like we can create animations on this thing where we can basically do like an animation type of graphic design. So that's what STRAT is for, is to go beyond what just normal human thinking can do, and our imagination is vast, of course. Okay, and the next thing is our clients page. Our clients page is empty because we currently don't have clients, but soon we will be looking to get clients. But right now, who we're trying to deal with is with customers. So there's a big difference between clients and customers, but we want to deal with customers. And if you do find yourself liking the stuff that we developed, then feel free to go to our contact page. I'll go to that next. So our contact tab is here. Right, you'll see it has our address, our mobile, and our email, stratbsolutions@gmail.com. You can definitely pop us an email or call me directly, and we can sort something out for you. And the last thing I want to show you is the social tab. Right, so we've got a visit our YouTube page. So you can click on this link, it'll take you to our YouTube page, or you can go to our individual videos that we've posted. So there's only 2 videos right now. This will be the 3rd video that we post online. And then we also have links for other things as well. If you go back to contact, you'll see that you can actually click on the link to Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. But as we know, Twitter is no longer Twitter, guys. It's actually X now, and Elon Musk has rebranded it. So I'm going to change that soon. But for now, just know that you can access Facebook and Instagram. Twitter right now is just is not really in date. It's not really working. But once we sort that out, you'll be able to access that properly. Okay. Right. So that's everything that I wanted to show you guys in this video. I hope this demonstration has shown you what we're capable of. But before I end this video, I would just like you to take note of our terms of privacy. So this is copyrighted by STRAT Business Solutions. You can go into our terms page and you'll see that we have all our terms and conditions for our website. So you can't just copy our material. You can't just take what we've branded and put it onto another system or try to sell our website in somewhere else. You have to get in contact with us. You have to do an arrangement with us in order to do all those things, but you obviously can't do that. And there's also a privacy privacy tab. Right, so if you click on privacy, it takes you to the privacy tab, and this is basically saying that, hey, if we take information from you guys, such as your login details, such as if we do like a transactional thing on a website, then all those privacy rules that protect your information or what you've got in the website, say if we develop a WhatsApp or some sort of social media interaction on websites, then your personal information will be stored in our databases, and no one will be able to access it, and we'll put policies over that information to say you can't get access of that private information without consulting our company or without having some sort of third-party advertisement related to what we have. So that is what privacy basically is. So that's everything that's on our website at the moment. It is available at www.stratbusinesssolutions.co.za. You don't have to type /tab. And this is actually it's not advertised on Google, but it is on the browser. It is on the internet, so you can access it through your browser just by typing it in the tab section. But it won't be on the Google section because right now we haven't gotten the means to advertise on Google, but we'll see how things go in the future, and sooner or later we will be up there, and I hope we really make a thorough breakthrough with our company, right? So thank you so much, guys, for watching. I appreciate your views for this video. If you like this video, please like the video. If you like our entire YouTube page, subscribe. And you can leave a comment there if there's anything that you would like to comment on. You can obviously put that down there in the comment section below. And obviously, to get our contact details, as we've mentioned before, it's in our contact section. So that brings us to the end of the video. Thank you so much. #DeveloperStrat and Strat out.